In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack and activate GitHub Copilot Pro step by step. Whether you're a student looking for free developer tools, want access to premium coding resources, or you're excited to use GitHub Copilot Pro without paying for it, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open any web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type GitHub Student Developer Pack and hit enter. From the search results, click on the first website, which should be from education.github.com. This page explains everything included in the Student Developer Pack, so take a moment to scroll through and see all the tools and benefits you can get if you're eligible. Once you're ready, look for the button that says Sign up for Student Developer Pack and click on it. You'll now be taken to the GitHub Education section. If you're not already signed in, GitHub will ask you to log in first. If you don't have a GitHub account yet, you can quickly create one and then continue with the process. Next, after signing in, find the option that says Start an application under Education Benefits and click on it. GitHub will now ask you a few questions to verify your eligibility. First, select your role, which in most cases will be student. After that, you'll be asked to enter the name of your school or university. Type your school name carefully and select it from the list that appears. This step is important because your school must be recognized and eligible for the Student Developer Pack. If your school shows up in the list, you're on the right track. After selecting it, enter your official school email address and then click Continue. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're using your real school email, double-check the spelling of your school name, and confirm that your GitHub profile information is accurate. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help avoid application delays. Once you've submitted the application, GitHub will review your details. After approval, you'll get access to the GitHub Student Developer Pack, which includes many premium tools. From there, you can activate GitHub Copilot Pro and start using AI-powered coding assistance right inside your editor without any extra cost. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack and activate GitHub Copilot Pro easily and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.